Good morning, Scratch Kitchen. Alright. I did not get to do this pizza last night because I got talking with Antonia. The gentleman that wrote Batman and Bill, Mark, I can't remember what his full name is, went to her high school yesterday. And he talked about Bill Finger and how Bill Finger was very crucial to Batman. Then we got talking about possible careers for her in psychology. That brought us to Criminal Minds, which we sat and watched 4 episodes before we even realized it. We wound up eating popcorn for dinner, so hello, Wednesday morning, pizza time. Yeah, let me get you down so you can see, and this is real life, you know? This is the way things go. Those of you who have kids, you know what I'm talking about. You gotta take advantage of any time with them you can. Because before you know it, they are going off to college. Oh, do not consume raw dough. Whatever. Anyway, we're just going to pull fragments of what we have. Hot dog. I love it when it comes out real easy. Now these I got at Aldi. 69 cents. Absolutely fantastic. Great deal. Great price. Oh. Even though we're going to be doing a pizza, I still kind of have to work with it a little bit to put these seams together. And so we can have a pizza, not a bunch of little croissants, right? Right. Yeah, I might need both of these after all. Yeah, these used to be so simple. You just crack them on the shelf and they pop open. I'll bring you back when I get this part done. Alright, I got some of these pulled out and done. Part of it is I'm using such a small pan. And yeah. Now the only sauce I have out and ready to be used is enchilada sauce. But hey, it's out, it's open. We're using it. Because this is about gathering the fragments you have, using what you got, not what you want always. And I have no doubt this will be good. I mean, hey, come on. It's pizza. And the only difference between my pizza sauce, my pizza and pasta sauce, my enchilada and taco sauce is a few peppers. That's it. I mean, really, that's the only difference between them. Now, I don't know about you, but I like pepperoni on first. If I'm going to put pepperoni on a pizza, I'm going to put it on first. That's just me, okay? You do not have to do this. You can do this however your family likes. Just do what makes them happy, you know? I feel like I'm dealing cards in Vegas or something. Yeah. Nice thick cut. And I got Mama Cozy's turkey pepperoni. It is so good. Personally, I think it's got a little more bite than the beef. But hey, that's just me, right? Make sure you got lots of pepperoni covering here. I've been looking at this used for croissants for over a year. And I keep saying it, and it just looks so good, so easy. No. The other croissants, I'll put like cinnamon sugar on them, like churros. And just do that with them. Cheese, we gotta do lots of cheese. I mean, come on. Then I want to use up what I got. So, pizza is a really good way to use up resources you have that you need to get used up. Because, well, they're either at risk of going bad or they're taking up space in your freezer that you need to use for something else. So, and as you see, I'm going to have more of these. So, I have enough to do more pizza, but I think what I'm going to do is put these back in the freezer, at least that. Put that back in the fridge. I will cook those off. I will bring you back in just a second. Alright guys, the pizza is done. It's not exactly easy to get off of here, but I've been trying to work with it. I think when I do this again, what I'll do is I will bake the croissants off a little bit first. Try and get them, you know, a little bit browned. Yeah. So I got the cat's attention, I got the dog's attention. So, yeah, I think next time I will just do that. But overall, I think this is a neat idea. I mean, you got croissants, you got your pizza stuff, why not? But make sure you bake them off first. Even my cat's gonna lecture me at this point. Y'all, I have no idea how I'm gonna get this off here. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm probably just gonna have to take and break it, like, piece at a time. I don't know. But let me grab a fork here. The other ones look fine. I mean, they look absolutely delicious and this is good. I mean, it's a good idea. Did I take the best method of using it? No. I do think baking this crust off and then topping it would be a better idea. Alright guys, this is a good idea overall. But that's how I'm going to have to take them off. It's just like that. I mean, I've stepped back, looked at it, it's like, yeah, that's the way we're going to have to do this. Here we go. Where there's a will, where there's a will, there's always a way. You know? Definitely not the prettiest, but hey, it is what it is, you know? Now, can I see people in the Depression doing this? Yeah. In a financial collapse, yeah, I think people would be glad to have anything. I'm pretty sure there's people in China would be thrilled to have that. You even as perfect and crazy as it looks. Now, these. Oh yeah. These are good. Definitely good. That's a good idea for a dinner. I'll do it differently next time. There you go, Sarge. But yeah. I'm going to stop here so I can eat. See you later.